Hi, today we are listening to Genesis chapter 4. This is the story of Cain and Abel and the very first family.
The man knew Eve, his wife. She conceived and gave birth to Cain and said, I have gotten a man with God's help. Next, she gave birth to his brother Abel. Abel was a keeper of sheep, but Cain was a tiller of the ground. As time passed, Cain brought an offering to Lord God from the fruit of the ground. Abel also brought some of the firstborn of his flock and of its fat. Lord God respected Abel and his offering, but he didn't respect Cain and his offering. Cain was very angry, and the expression on his face fell. Lord God said to Cain, Why are you angry? And why has the expression of your face fallen? If you do well, won't it be lifted up? If you don't do well, sin crouches at the door. Its desire is for you, but you should rule over it. Cain said to Abel, his brother, Let's go into the field. While they were in the field, Cain rose up against Abel, his brother, and killed him. Lord God said to Cain, Where is Abel, your brother? He said, I don't know. Am I my brother's keeper? Lord God said, What have you done? The voice of your brother's blood cries to me from the ground. Now you are cursed from the ground, which has opened its mouth to receive your brother's blood from your hand. When you till the ground, it won't yield its strength to you any more. You will be a fugitive and a wanderer on the earth. Cain said to Lord God, My punishment is greater than I can bear. Behold, you have driven me out today from the surface of the ground. I will be hidden from your face, and I will be a fugitive and a wanderer in the earth. It will happen that whoever finds me will kill me. Lord God said to him, Therefore, whoever slays Cain, vengeance will be taken on him sevenfold. Lord God appointed a sign for Cain, lest any finding him should strike him. Cain went out from Lord God's presence and lived in the land of Nod, east of Eden. Cain knew his wife. She conceived and gave birth to Enoch. He built a city and called the name of the city after the name of his son Enoch. To Enoch was born Irad. Irad became the father of Mehujael. Mehujael became the father of Methushael. Methushael became the father of Lamech. Lamech took 2 wives. The name of the one was Ada, and the name of the other Zillah. Ada gave birth to Jabal, who was the father of those who dwell in tents and have livestock. His brother's name was Jubal, who was the father of all who handle the harp and pipe. Zillah also gave birth to Tubal-Cain, the forger of every cutting instrument of brass and iron. Adam knew his wife again. She gave birth to a son and named him Seth, for she said, God has appointed me another child instead of Abel, for Cain killed him. A son was also born to Seth, and he named him Enosh. At that time, men began to call on Lord God's name.
Hey guys, this chapter is a really good reminder to not let anger or jealousy build. When we feel that resentment creeping into our lives, we need to lean on God in those moments. Until next Sunday, I hope you have a blessed week.